How to find your ring size, a friendly guide to getting it just right. When it comes to rings, whether you're shopping for an engagement ring, wedding band, or a simple piece to jazz up your wardrobe, getting the right size is essential. So, how do you ensure your ring fits perfectly without pinching or slipping off? Don't worry, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to find your ring size. Steps to find your ring size. Use a measuring tape. If you have a soft, flexible measuring tape, like those used for sewing, you're in luck. It's the easiest tool for the job. Here's how. Wrap the tape around the base of the finger where you'll wear the ring. Make sure it's snug but not tight. Mark the point where the tape overlaps. Note the measurement in millimeters. Use a ring size chart to convert the circumference to your ring size. Try the string or paper method. No measuring tape? No problem. A piece of string or a strip of paper works just as well. Cut a strip of paper or string about 6 inches long. Wrap it around the base of your finger, making sure it's snug but comfortable. Mark the point where the ends meet with a pen or marker. Lay the string or paper flat on a ruler and measure the length in millimeters. Use a ring size chart to find your size. Ensure the string or paper doesn't stretch while measuring. It could give you an inaccurate result. Measure an existing ring. If you already own a ring that fits the intended finger perfectly, you can use it to determine your size. Place the ring on a flat surface. Use a ruler to measure the diameter of the inside circle in millimeters. Look up the diameter measurement on a ring size chart to find your size. Be precise. Even a fraction of a millimeter can make a difference. Things to keep in mind while measuring. Measure at the right time of day. Your fingers can swell or shrink depending on the time of day and temperature. Measure your finger. In the evening, when your fingers are at their largest. At room temperature, as cold can make fingers smaller. Account for knuckles. If your knuckles are significantly larger than the base of your finger, measure both the knuckle and the finger base. Choose a size that can comfortably slide over the knuckle without being too loose at the base. Consider ring width. The width of a ring can affect how it fits. Wider bands may feel tighter, so you might need to size up slightly for comfort. Use the correct hand. Remember, the fingers on your dominant hand are usually slightly larger. Make sure to measure the exact finger the ring will be worn on. Finding your ring size doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're measuring at home with everyday items or getting sized by a professional, accuracy is key to ensuring your ring feels like a natural extension of your finger. Follow these tips, and you'll be wearing your new jewelry with confidence and comfort in no time. Happy ring shopping! If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.